Here are the top 5 survey websites that you can use to start filling out surveys for free and start making extra cash on the side. The first one is Prime Opinion, and they're available globally from anywhere in the world. Sign up for free here. The next one is surveytime.io, and they instantly reward you with $1 for every single survey you complete. Pretty cool. Next, we have Ipsos iSay, and you can just sign up for free over here. Number 4, we've got Opinion Outpost, and you get paid for your opinions right here. And this is how it works. You join, you share, and you rejoice. And at number 5, we've got Taluna Influences. Very, very high rating. You can see there 9,685 reviews, 4-star on Trustpilot. Very, very cool. So there you have it, 5 great survey websites where you can start generating some income. Unfortunately, you're not going to become Jeff Bezos rich, but it's a good way to get started online making some income for free. Now, if you want a much quicker, faster, more leveraged and automated way to generate income, 5 figures a month is what I generate from the strategy that I implement every single month. And if you want to learn that strategy, just go ahead and follow me on my channel and click on the link inside my bio and follow the training step by step. Enjoy.